Hello everyone. Today let us start a new chapter called Polynomials. What is that? Polynomials. What is the meaning of poly? Poly means many, right? You must have heard in geometry, polygons. Poly means many. Now you must have studied in 7th standard, 8th standard, monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial. What is monomial? All this we discussing in the branch of mathematics called algebra. What is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics which deals with the unknown matter or variables. That suppose I say I bought certain number of mangoes. Did I tell you what is the number of mangoes I bought? No. Then what I think? Oh, she must have. Let it be X or let it be Y or let it be Z. I can use any alphabet of English. Right? That is, we discuss in algebra. Now, you all have studied all that. Now, what is monomial? Monomial is mono means one. A one variable with degree 1. See, x, monomial, 4x, monomial, 24x, monomial. Then what is this? 24 I have added and I am telling monomial. Yes, we are dealing only about the variables x, y, z. Then it is monomial. Then what is this 24 is called? 24 is called coefficient. You understand? Now if we say minus y, what is the coefficient of y? Minus 1. You understand? Whatever number you have multiplied to the unknown number or to the variable, it is called coefficient. Suppose if I write on 5 by 7x to the power x, then what is the coefficient of x? 5 by 7. Did you understand? So you understood what is monomial. What is binomial? A plus b binomial, x plus y binomial, 2x plus 4 binomial. So there are two terms. See here, plus constant. Here both are variables. Here both are variables. You understand? Anything. If I write down 25x plus z, is it a binomial? Yes. But how many variables are there? Two variables. Here how many variables are there? One variable. Here how many? Two. Here how many? Two. Right? What is the coefficient of A? 1. What is the coefficient of B? 1. Suppose we say 4A plus 6C. How many variables? Two variables. What is the coefficient of A? 4. What is the coefficient of 6? C, 6. I hope you understood. What is monomial? What is binomial? What is trinomial? Now you know. You can tell me. X plus y plus z. It is a trinomial. Right? So, all this I gave the example with more than one variable. Suppose I say x plus y plus z, it is a trinomial, then how many variables are there? 3 variables are there. Understand? So, you understood all the meaning of monomial, binomial, trinomial. But in this chapter, we are discussing about the polynomials with one variable. Either x alone or y alone or z alone. Shall we proceed with that? Now, when there is only one variable, say x, it is a monomial. Can I say x plus x is a binomial? No. X plus x is 2x. You understand? It is not a binomial. So, whenever only one variable is there, the terms linear, quadratic, cubic polynomial, such words come. Linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial and so on. What is linear polynomial? Linear polynomial is a polynomial. Let me tell you the example and explain to you. X plus 2. It is a linear polynomial. What you can see? There is only one variable with a degree 1. What is the meaning of degree? Power. Suppose I say x square plus 2x plus 2. X square plus 3x plus 2. Then it is a quadratic polynomial. What is quadratic? The highest power is 2. Now you understood what is the meaning of power. X to the power of 1. Here highest power is 2. So that is called the degree of the polynomial is 2. Suppose I say x to the power of 4 plus x. What is the degree of this polynomial? Highest power is called degree. What is the highest power of this? 4. All these are polynomials with one variable. Now my question is, if I write on 5, is it a polynomial? We call it as a constant polynomial or zero polynomial. Constant polynomial or zero polynomial. Why do we call zero polynomial? There is no x. I can put into x to the power of 0. So, x to the power of any number to the power of 0 is 1. That is why 5 is called zero polynomial. Any number if you want to put 10, zero polynomial. Minus 5, zero polynomial. If you put any variable with degree 1, it is called linear polynomial. Any polynomial with degree 2, quadratic polynomial. Any polynomial with degree 3, it is called cubic polynomial and so on. You understand? Suppose I say x square, no other number. What type of polynomial? Is it a polynomial? Yes. The highest power is 2. Whenever polynomial has got the highest power 2, it is called quadratic. Highest power is 1. So, linear. Is x is a polynomial? Yes. Is 5x is a polynomial? Yes. What is this 5? 5 is called coefficient of x. You understand? So you understood what is constant polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial and so on. In cubic polynomial, what type of polynomial if I give 5x cubed? It is a cubic polynomial because highest power is 3. No other number, no. So what is the general form of the polynomial? The general form of the linear polynomial is ax plus b, where a is not equal to 0. What is the general form of the quadratic polynomial? Ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. What is the general form of the cubic polynomial? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is where a is not equal to 0. Is the cubic polynomial. See, anything else can be 0 but a cannot be 0. Anything else can be 0 but a cannot be 0. If a is 0, x square doesn't come at all, isn't it? How can I say quadratic polynomial? Here anything else can be 0 but a cannot be 0. If a is 0, cubic polynomial, how can I say? Because cube doesn't come at all. Did you understand? So you understood what is a zero polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial and so on. Is it clear? Now, my question is this polynomial? What do you say? Square root of x plus 5. Square root of x I can write down in the powers, using powers. Last year I taught you x to the power of half plus 5. Cube root of x I can write as x to the power of 1 by 3. Fifth root of x I can write as x to the power of 1 by 5. Do you remember? So, 10th root of x you can write as x to the power of 1 by 10. So, for this x, if power is not a full number, it should be a natural number. It can be a whole number, 0, 1, 2, then only it is polynomial. If it is 0 constant polynomial, 1 linear polynomial, 2 quadratic polynomial, other than that, if at all half is there, 1 by 3 is there, they are not polynomials. I hope you understood clearly how to see what is a polynomial, what is a polynomial with one variable or more than one variable, what is a linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, constant polynomial, what is the coefficient. All those terms you are very much understood now. Shall we move on some of the problems on this? What is the question? Find the degree of this polynomial. What did I say degree means? Highest power of the variable. Here, how many variables are there? Only one variable, that is x. What is the highest power? 5. So what is the degree? 5. Finished. Degree is equal to 5. You understand? Here, what is the variable? Y, which is the highest power? 8. So what is degree? Degree is 2. Sorry, degree is 8. Understand? Here, the number 2. What type of polynomial? Constant polynomial. What is the degree? 0. Because 2 I can write down 2 into x to the power of 0. I explained like that. So you need not explain all that. But what is the degree of this 2? 0. Because it is a constant polynomial. So degree is 0. I hope you understood. Right? Here degree is highest power is 5. Here highest power is 8. Here, no power of any variables, so degree is 0. Did you understand? Now look at the question in the exercise. First question is, which of the following expressions are polynomials in one variable? See, what is this? Everywhere I can see one variable. Power is 2, power is 1 and constant. So is it a polynomial? Yes, polynomial with one variable. This is polynomial with one variable. Y square plus square root of 2. How many variables are there? Only one. So is it a polynomial with one variable? Yes. What about this? First of all, my question, is it a polynomial? I say no. Why? 3 square root of t. I said the power of the variable should be only the whole number 0, 1, 2. It cannot be a rational number. I can write down t as t to the power of half. Then it is not a polynomial. Next, come here. Y is there in the denominator. When I take it up, you get y plus 2 into y to the power of minus 1. When you take it up, a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m. Suppose minus whatever is there in the denominator, when you want to take it up, it is minus 1. Then it is not a polynomial. Is this polynomial? Yes, but with 3 variables, x, y and t. You understand? It is not a polynomial with one variable. Only these two are the polynomials with one variable. That is not a variable. That is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. This is a polynomial with 3 variables. Did you all understand? Now, what is the question? Write the coefficient of x square. You have to write down the coefficient of only x square. Is there x square here? Yes. What is the coefficient of x square? How many x square? Only 1. So, coefficient is 1. Right? Here now. Now here, minus x square. So, coefficient is minus 1. What is the coefficient of x square here? Pi by 2. Correct? Here there is no x square at all. By how they can say so? Z, right? But is it a polynomial? Yes. Look at this question. Give one example of a binomial. Binomial means the polynomial with two terms of degree 35, right? Suppose if I write down x to the power of 35, degree 35, plus, you can write down anything. If you want, you can write down x, or if you don't want, you can write down 5, any number also you can write down. But highest power is 35 and binomial. Binomial means only two terms. You can write down x, but don't write down any other variable here because we are not discussing about that. So, x to the power of 35. Now, even if you write down, because they have not said binomial of one variable. So, binomial of degree 35. Highest power is 35. What is the next one? Monomial of degree 100. So, y to the power of 100. That's all. Monomial, only one term. Can I put 10y to the power of 100? Yes. Because it will be a numerical coefficient. Right? So, this is variable with highest power 100. That's all. The question is, write the degree of each of the following. Degree means highest power of the variable. So, what is the highest power? 3. Degree is 3. What is the highest power? 2. Degree is 2. What is the highest power? T? No power. That means her power is 1. Degree 1. What is the highest power? No variable. So, it is a constant polynomial. Degree 0. Is it clear? Degree 3, degree 2, degree 1, no degree or degree 0. The last question of this exercise. Classify the following as linear, quadratic, cubic. I said linear, highest power is 1. Quadratic, highest degree is 2. Cubic, 3. Right? Here, highest degree is 2. So, quadratic. Here, highest power is 3, cubic. Here, highest power is 2, quadratic. Here, highest power is 1, so linear. If it is 1, linear. If it is 2, quadratic. If it is 3, cubic. Here, highest power is 1, so linear. Here, highest power is 2, quadratic. Here, highest power is 3, cubic. Did you all understand? So, you know what is the meaning of constant polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic, cubic. Is it clear? So, if you like my video, please share it with others and you will get many more videos. Thank you very much.